Yo, yo, welcome to the show.
Yo YouTube, what is good? Happy Sunday everyone. It's a Sunday, which means we're going to be looking at what we plan to buy in this upcoming trading week inside our Robinhood taxable brokerage account. If you want to know what I'm buying based on ex-dividend dates or just what I feel is a forever hold or just whatever conviction I might have, this is the video for you. Um, yeah, it's June, it's July 28th. It's almost August. The time is flying so quickly. We're just moving with it, just investing and preparing, I guess, for our future. Oh yeah, if you guys want to if you've been watching my videos, you don't know what Robinhood is. It's an investing brokerage account. It's a brokerage. So it allows you to buy stocks or crypto, whatever. If you do want to get started, it's really just all mobile based. There is a web version of it. You can use my link provided inside down in the description. It will give each of us, I think, it says it right here. It's kind of weird how they word it, but I didn't want to paraphrase, so I just took a screenshot. But I think we each get a stock worth between $5 and $200 in a sense. It's just kind of random how it works. So if you are interested in investing or starting to invest, that would be a good thing to take advantage of. Otherwise, of course you can start, but there's no incentive. So going into the portfolio, like what we plan to be buying, and right now, at least as of a few minutes ago, we're sitting at $16,287.70. As you can see, up on the day, $7.70, 0.05%. This week, we're bumping up our weekly deposit to $200. It's standard 170, but this week I felt like I'm not. I felt like just putting more. So I mean, the markets did tank, so I'm trying to capitalize on that. And really, probably I should not have done that because I did that one day. I think it was Wednesday or Thursday. I deposited an extra 150 and used that to buy into some ETFs that I thought were forever holds, like take advantage of the dip type of thing. So now I'm coming in again and adding a little extra on top of my usual. So I mean, it adds up, and I'm sure I'll not regret doing it at the end of the day. But I am allocating a lot more than I budgeted towards investing, which it's like a double-edged sword in a sense. Like it's good, but it's bad, obviously. Anyways, $200 again equals splits. So 100 will be on Tuesday, the 30th of July, which Tuesday. And then Thursday is actually we're starting August, so the 1st of August. And yeah, these are what we're going to be buying. So July 30th, we're buying SPY, zero point zero 0.04 shares of SPY. That's going to take us to 3.54 shares in total. And I believe SPY was one of them I wanted to look at. We have Ford here, but SPY over here. Yeah, SPY has just had a crazy week. And yeah, I mean, actually, on the week it's only down 1.16%, but SPY was trading pretty up there, almost touching 560. Crazy. Did it ever touch it? Oh yeah, it did. Like way back then, but it's been falling since. I guess it's had a crazier month or last 2 weeks rather than week, but SPY is a forever hold. Obviously, it's something we're gonna buy every time we have an opportunity to do so. This is a great one. Just buying a little bit as usual. Same with QQQ, one of our forever holds. Similar ideology. We're buying the same amount, zero point zero 0.04 of a share. They are not the same price. I think SPY is like 540. QQQ is probably like 460 at this point. But we're buying both of them regardless. 1.31 shares in total will be what we have in QQQ. And just looking at SPY again, just I guess my holdings or stats, whatever down here. 3.5 shares, average cost 473. Throwback to when I had one share of SPY and my average cost was $400 flat. Since then, I've been DCAing, and now I have 3.5 shares, and it's really high average cost. But anyways, up 14% in the position. Grateful for that, of course. Got dividends coming in, all that good stuff. And SPY, we will continue to buy you. All right, on the 30th, again, we have realty income, and in parentheses here, August 1st, which denotes that that will be their ex dividend date. So if you are interested in buying or getting a dividend from realty income in the next payment that they make, you need to buy this before August 1st. So you have until the last day of July to own this stock or this REIT in order to get their immediately next dividend payment. I'll be buying zero point 0.2 of a share. I already had 12 shares, so this will take me to 12.2 shares. What's going on here? All right, Stag Industrial. Their ex-div July 31st. Of course, if you want the same thing, if you want to get their next payment, you gotta own that. You gotta own that commodity, own that stock before the ex-div date. I'm buying zero point zero 0.05 of a share, not a lot, but I'm buying something. At least I should see a small bump in comparison to the last payment I received. So that's gonna take me to 12 and a half shares of Stag. Finally, last two for July 30th, we have AEP and Viso. AEP ex-div August 9th, adding zero point 0.1 of a share. This is like a utility type of stock. I think I sold out of I forget the name of it. Maybe WTRG, Essential Utilities, and just like balanced or compromised, whatever, into this singular one AEP. Now I'm adding zero point 0.1 of a share, 2.2 shares in total will be what I have after I buy this. A Visa, August 9th, ex-div, adding zero point 0.1 of a share. Visa is a stock I love. Great company. Really see, this is one of my stock forever holds, but I won't really put it in my official forever holds if that makes sense. But I feel very comfortable buying Visa. Not the greatest dividends by any means, or dividend yield by any means, but in terms of dividend growth, very very good on that. Great company, great business model, and it's Visa. Love it. 1.6 shares, looking to get that to 10 shares. 2 shares obviously is a nice goal, but 10 shares, 100 shares, 1,000 shares of Visa. Let's go. Ford actually is the last buy on July 30th. We're adding 1 share. Ford has had a disastrous week. So last week I did go and buy some, and now I'm buying 1 more share, just taking advantage of that. I'm way below my average cost right now. But this buy will take me to 69 and a half shares in total of Ford. And let's just look at it here. They had their earnings and they missed it. And yeah, just a nasty week with Ford. It was good. Ford was like creeping so high up. Like, look at that. And then just like that, all the way back down. It peaked at maybe $14, 14 highs. I don't think it reached 15, but 52-week high. That's a good place to look. 1485 is where it actually went. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Um, yeah, cool. Cool. That's Ford. 68 shares, 68 and a half shares. Adding one to take us to 69 and a half shares. Right now we're down 6%. Nothing crazy. I mean, Ford will bounce back eventually. Probably not in the near future, given such bad earnings. I don't know. Who knows? No one knows. So I'll just stick to my regular routine. So let's go. Um, so that total estimated spend for July 30th, $101. We budgeted $100, so $1.15 budgeted as like a renover. That's fine. That's what my buying power is for, from like dividends and whatever. So we should be good there. Going over to August 1st, starting off the month, we're buying some SCHD. zero point 0.2 of a share is what we're going to be adding, taking us to 14.28 shares in total. SCHD, forever hold for the dividends. Great growth as well, at least historically. And I hope to continue seeing that. SPDR, SPY, their growth focused ETF, SPY G, adding quarter of a share to this, taking us to 7.25 shares. Love this one because it's such a fast grower, but in bear markets, it obviously the downside is also amplified. So I mean, you kind of have to just take both sides of the coin there. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF VTI adding zero point zero 0.06 of a share. Obviously, great ETF to be in. This is every single company within the U.S. The good, the bad. Great way to diversify your investments. All sectors, sizes of companies, like whatever, is included in this VTI ETF. So I'm gonna have 5.16 share after I make this purchase. One of my forever holds. Love it. Man, ex-div date August 8th. They are like a capital. I don't know, like maybe one of them BDCs. Um, I don't really know. They pay a monthly dividend, point 0.5 of a share, 5.75 shares in total afterwards. This might be the last on August 1st. Realty income spoke about this, and same with Ford. Already discussed their ex-div dates. We're just picking up some more of these. Just we're buying Ford because of their ex-div and because of their recent share price plummet, and 70.5 shares in total. Realty income, we're still down in the position, and actually, let's look at that one. Still down in the position for realty income, but it's been coming back decently. We're down less than 6% right now. The last month or so, honestly, it's been so good, up 10%. 3 months, you can see it was really just doing this for the last maybe half a year or so. Just channel trading, I guess, and it's picking up. So year to date, it's in the green. That's definitely a good sign, and we have been DCing in. We'll continue to do so. We're still overall down, but it's probably starting to head in the direction we want to see it headed. So yeah, realty income adding zero point 0.2 of a share, taking us to 12.4 shares in total, and that takes our estimated total spend for Thursday, a clean $101. Let's see how that goes. Usually I overestimate these, so it might be just a hair over 100, even less than 100. So let's see. Thank you guys very much for watching. As usual, simple question: if you care to answer, what stocks are you planning to buy this week? What stocks? What ETFs? What reasoning is there behind it? If you want to share, just feel free to drop that in the comment. And until next time, peace.